giving grown, sexy, and classy.
We the best music. DJ Cat.
I hope you know about the tagging.
What's good, family? Welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we are back with another Amazon find, y'all. 30-inch slay down. Yes, ma'am. This is a 13 by 6, 200% density, y'all. Baby, when I say she's already pre-plucked and she's giving HD lace already, that's what she's giving. So y'all already know we are going in with a color today, y'all. And the color I'm giving, I want to do like a kind of Hennessy. You feel what I'm saying? My fiance say it's giving Great Divine. So that's what we're going to go with today. Y'all, we want to knock out that yellow temptation or the yellow highlights they have in this wig. We do not want any yellow highlights in this wig when it comes to this color. So y'all, we didn't have any Shimmer Lights shampoo, so your girl had the Shimmer Lights conditioner. So I'm like, let me see if this worked. And y'all, she turned out to a baddie in the color that we wanted. So y'all, we went in with the Shimmer Lights first, and then we're gonna go in with that color. If y'all have not done so yet, y'all, go ahead and hit that like button, because you already know these videos are gonna be down and a bust down. These are the colors that we're using: honey brown, dark warm brown, and y'all in black. The black gives it a little hint at the end, but y'all keep on watching as we mix these colors. This ain't nothing new. Y'all already know what we do. Let's get into it.
Why you got it on safety? I don't know if you could take and be around you. I'm too little to dim down a notch, cause I can into things that I'm gonna do. I hope you know about the tagging. You know this look is for the bagging. I heard that pussy for the taking. I heard it got these other niggas going crazy. I hope you know about the tagging. You know this look is for the bagging. Yeah, I treat you like a lady. Fuck you till you burned out, cremation.
At this point in time, y'all, all we doing is making sure we're getting that color to the length that we want it, from the blonde to the brown. And we're making sure that we're getting every brown to touch that blonde where we want it placed, and getting it all throughout that spot, y'all. We want to make sure that brown is getting throughout that blonde. So don't be hesitant to get a brush or anything to comb through that wig to make sure that the color is sticking. Do you feel what I'm saying? We used a full bottle of the honey blonde. Well, the honey brown. We used a full bottle of the honey brown, and then we go in and next with the dark warm brown. And it's pretty much self-explanatory. We're just stopping wherever we want the color to stop at. Like we did the honey brown close to the blonde, and then we're going to do the dark brown, you know, in the middle, and then the black at the ends. You know, it's self-explanatory. It's pretty much your preference of where you want it. You feel me? Yeah. And since pretty much the dark warm brown, and the honey brown, y'all, my tongue is tired for some reason, Lord, today, is pretty much the same color. So it's really not going to matter of where you stop those two colors, but you still would get the same dimension of those two tones, if you feel what I'm saying. Yeah, get in it. Yeah, get with it. Yeah, sis, get it. So we went in with black, not no certain type of black. We went in with black because we don't want any type of blue hint or anything like that. We want just a black. So that's why we didn't use jet black, because jet black has like a hint of bluish in it, and we don't want that. So black is the color that we was going for. It's going to like literally bounce off of the browns, if that makes sense. But with the hair being so processed at the ends, it did not give the color that I was going for at the ends, but she still gave what she was supposed to give, if that makes sense. I don't know, y'all. These factories be processing these wigs to this blonde, and they be doing a little bit too much. We wrote the company, and they said they were going to fix it, so that's all that matters. Boom. So first off, we're going to cut off these ear tabs, because I feel like these ear tabs are like the worst of the wig part, this period to me. So we're going to cut this off to get the little nervous part out the way. And then we're going to go in with putting these little 7 layers of glue down. Yes, ma'am, you heard what I said. I said 7 layers of glue because 6 didn't work. Baby, the wig kept sliding back every time I went outside in the heat. When I say it inched back an inch or a centimeter every time, baby, the wig went past my eyebrows all the way up to my skull. Baby, this heat is not playing with us this time. And then we going into August. We can't play with them. We can't play with them. Baby, I'm going to recommend you to do 7 to 8 layers of glue. Baby, this heat is baby, it's meant to kill you. I ain't going to say it's meant to kill you.
I got a lot of new tricks for you, baby. Just saying I'm flexible. I do what they can to get you off. Not just fucking with my makeup on. You can let me need the apron on. You can do it, need to change my car. You can do it to your baby. Send it just one night, me. with the drink, give me a sip. Tell me what you can, give me the dick. Me, slap me, choke me, bite me. Wait, I can take it, give
We are working our way around our perimeter of our forehead, and we are using Bold Hold Active, baby. You already know, because, baby, for some reason, she give a stiff little hold, like, you know how them wigs be stiff, and they don't go nowhere. Yes, ma'am, baby, she sticks and makes you stiff where you supposed to stay. She gon' be stiff. You feel what I'm saying? But, like I told you, that heat, baby, I don't know. That heat and Bold Hold, they got a relationship, but that heat overtook Bold Hold a little bit, because, like I said, the wig kept sliding back. She was by my eyebrows. My baby hairs was by my eyebrows. The next thing you know, my baby hairs was up to my skull. Baby, they be moving. So, y'all, after y'all see the 7 layers of glue, yup, she laid down seamlessly. You don't see no white residue anywhere. You did on the ends of my head, but that's okay, baby. We got the little popsicle stick and we laid it down. But we went in with them 7 layers of glue and we made sure that everything was clear before we laid it down. You heard what I said. We made sure it was clear. Then we laid the wig down exactly where we wanted to place it. This time, y'all, we did not mess up because the wig was not all the way back on my forehead to see my forehead, but we brought it up to where we wanted it to be this time. Yes, ma'am, we did. So now we got it where we wanted, and we placed it right. So now we took our comb and we put our comb to make sure we got everything around our edge line laid down like we wanted. Okay, then after we did that, we went in with our wrap and we laid that wrap down around that edge line for an hour. When I say, y'all, it makes a difference, it makes a difference. Then after you do that, we're gonna go in with that hot comb and we're gonna lay down anything else that might be still wet or anything. Just get a little tug and a snug and a little heat to it, because the heat making gonna stick. So after we do that, y'all, we're going in with the scissors and we're gonna cut it into 4 laps, and we're gonna go in and we're going to take our eyebrow razor and we're going to cut along our edge line. Do you hear what I'm saying? We're going to cut along our edge line, and y'all watch the way that it cut. When I say she glided, yeah.
Your bag for the brick, you know that. Control don't slow the pace if I throw back. Oh, this ass for real.
For the ones that don't know, we go in with that Fantasia spritz every time, 2 times. We do it twice behind each other, you guys, 2 times, and it's getting rid of the white residue after cutting your lace. Do you hear what I'm saying? Anytime you cut your lace, sometimes you still see a little white. People be like, oh, why my lace not invisible? Because, excuse me, grandma, because, baby, you got to lay it down. You got to do other steps. It's not just cutting the lace and that's boom, it's supposed to be gone. No, ma'am, you got to lace. You got to put stuff on top of it. Do you hear what I'm saying? Watch the video and get some knowledge. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah, I ain't saying you stupid. I'm just saying follow. So after these 2 layers of Fantasia, we go in with our Ruby Kisses and we go around our edge line to give it like a more seamlessly, like it's coming about our scalp. You can do your foundation, you can use anything, but make sure you put that doggone foundation around your forehead to make it look like it's coming out of your scalp, to make it look like yours, because you bought it. Pooh, you bought it. Now we're getting into these growth sisters, and y'all already know, baby, these baby hairs are my enemy. But I feel like we did good this time, y'all. We're going to give like a little edge. We're going to give a little bottom baby hair also. So y'all sticking to it, because I think I did good. You know what I'm saying? Normally they are growth sisters today, but y'all, I feel like I did twins. You feel what I'm saying? I did the twins. Yeah. Y'all, we was gonna try to curl the baby hairs up this time, and when I did up, y'all, I swear to God, the little swoop came phenomenal. It's like it just rotated in my hand the way I wanted it to go. You feel what I'm saying? That's why I say these baby hairs came together this time, y'all. Tell me in the comments on how y'all feel about these baby hairs. Tell me, did I slay or did I slay? Because I'm not gonna give you the option of that I did not slay. You feel what I'm saying? Because I know I slayed. Go ahead, give me that like on these comments. Go ahead. already know me. We go in with that famous side part every time. And for the ones that want to know why I don't do a style when it comes to these installs, because for some reason I love that straight look right after I do a color, flat iron it, and do that install. It gives body, it gives volume, it gives sexy, it gives classy. I don't know, y'all. It just does something to me when I do a straight look with a side part and get that little oomph at the top. You feel what I'm saying? But y'all, this color came out so beautiful. The wig was so soft, light to no shedding. When I say light to no shedding, I mean basically no shedding. Literally. The only problem that I had with this wig is the fact that it had bleached the ends a little bit too much, and I couldn't get the color the way that I wanted at the end. But like I say, she gave me Hennessy the way she gave me Hennessy. You feel what I'm saying? This is the color that I was going for. This is the color that I had vision. This is the color that I had bodied, and she slayed it. Yes, ma'am. These hands become a miracle when it comes to these colors. I don't know. They don't go the way that they want to. But, baby, she becomes a baddie when they supposed to. You feel what I'm saying? I ain't no professional, but I'm a professional. You feel what I'm saying? If y'all have not done so yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, baby. We got more videos dropping every month for these colors. Go ahead and drop a comment. Tell me what you like, and I'll see you in the next video.